Ready to learn graphic design? Let's make creativity fun! Welcome to day 1. Let's learn the basics. Let's design together. Let's go! Can anyone become a graphic designer? Yes! Even me? Especially you. Your first client is yourself. So graphic design is just making things look pretty? Not exactly. Graphic design is visual communication. Exactly. Pretty is nice. Effective is better. These are your design building blocks. Shapes, colors, typography, and space? Correct. And what about Panda? I am also a design building block. No, you're not. Shapes can actually create designs? Of course. Shapes help create structure, icons, illustrations, and visual hierarchy. That is not a master.
Lines guide the viewer's eyes.
So lines can control where people look?
Exactly! And this line tells everyone to look at me.
Nice try, Panda. Why does color change the whole design?
Because colors create emotions.
Why are you green?
I wanted to feel fresh.
This font looks cool.
Can you read it?
Not really.
Then we have a problem.
Why does the second design look better? Because everything doesn't need to be filled.
So empty space is useful?
Exactly.
It's called white space.
Panda! Alignment makes everything feel organized.
And balance stops the design from falling over.
Designs don't literally fall over.
Mine do.
5 things beginners do. Number 1, use 17 fonts. Number 2, use Use every color in the universe. Number 3,
Forget spacing! And number 4, make Panda do all the work!
what's number 4?
Make Panda do all the work!
Panda, create a clean thumbnail. Wah! A clean thumbnail. Easy. Panda, create a clean thumbnail. Wah! Let's simplify it. Easy. Today we learned graphic design basics. Shapes, lines, colors, typography, space, and alignment. And tomorrow? Tomorrow, we make fonts fabulous! Oh no! Don't miss it! Like, share, and subscribe to Designs by Mehru.